Yes, yes. Oh, Miss Sinha, you are here. I saw big cutouts of yours. The entire High Court area is filled out.
The entire Bengal. Why High Court?
Not only High Court area.
Entire
Actually, I
Bengal.
don't have scope to go out. I don't.
Should have a campaign of mine. And only for this matter, Your Lordship, I'm in Calcutta today.
That is the reason I just said.
Let her not hang.
Don't hang her.
Don't hang her.
Let her stay in peace at least.
ব্রিফটাতে এরকম করিস না, বার কাউন্সিল হয়ে যাবে ওর পাশে ব্রিফ না নিয়ে দাঁড়ায়।
Yes.
Now, the point is very short. Lordship kindly sees the earlier order passed by this court.
ভালো
Early order means there are several orders.
Yes, that the wetland should be restored back. That was the basic contention of the Honorable
Yes.
Court. They have not yet done so. All illegal construction is going on the wetlands, creating eco-balance, devastating. That's the whole
Yes.
situation.
Right.
Let the EQ authority file a written report. What steps have they taken pursuant to the order of the court?
I do not know whether you have been handed over of all documents or not. There are reports piling up over here, but I do not see any work being done in the ground level. Now I do not want any further report. I want ground level work to be
Yes,
done.
kindly we let have the execution of the legal formalities.
Court is filled up with reports. Yes.
What steps have they taken? Let them disclose.
A report has been handed over.
Now I'll stop collecting reports.
No, Your Lordship, kindly sees paragraph 5, 6. Lordship's direction was to make the public aware that this is a EKW area. No construction is to be made. No electricity connections. And wherever illegal construction and boundaries are found, dismantle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My report deals with that. The difficulties, Your Lordship. 8, we have the original that this was duly communicated. All websites, it's there. And in compliance, Lordship may kindly seize page number 4 of my report.
Say
Paragraph
what is there.
number 9.
Say what.
Of this honorable court, in the instant matter, the EKWMA requested the CESC Limited, Kolkata Municipal Corporation and PS Andhapur for a joint field inspection on 18/12/25 through the said letter inspection on 18/12/25 through a since the area was under the jurisdiction of the EKWN. Since the area was under the jurisdiction of the KMC, but nobody was present. Chaubaga, the team of EKWMA
Presented today. KMC. State also you are representing.
but I lay emphasis, Your Lordship, but due to mass agitation, the connections could not be disconnected in that area. A copy of the letter dated
Same story.
15/12/25 is annexed herewith and marked as annexure R10. After that, details have been given where we had gone to disconnect electricity. And Your Lordship, after the table is given, but the matter in compliance with the directions of the Honorable Court during the process of taking steps against unauthorized constructions as part of RS Dag number 73/88, Moja Karimpur, JL number 2 under PS Narendrapur, District South, 24 Parganas, which is within EKW. The EKWMA passed a recent order against Captain P. Bhomik, dated dated 4/12/25, with a direction upon him to restore the land in question to its previous status within 30 days. But he has not yet complied with the direction of the EKW. Instead, he has filed WPA number 28711 of 2025 in the matter of Partha Bhomik versus State of West Bengal and others, which is pending before the Honorable High Court. Meanwhile, the EKWMA has issued a direction, VD number, upon the District Magistrate of South Parganas to demolish the unauthorized construction made by Partha Bhomik and restore the subject land to its previous status, and also submit a report thereon to the EKWMA. A copy of the said letter dated 13/2/2026 is annexed herewith and marked as annexure R11. In compliance with the reasoned order, VD number dated 4/12/25, passed by the EKWMA, Srimati Rakhi Mandal has dismantled the unauthorized boundary wall on her land as part of RS Dag number 4, Mauja Karimpur, JL number 2, PS Narendrapur, District South 24 Parganas within the EKW. She has submitted a compliance report dated
Listen,
9/1.
what has been complied has been complied. What about the constructions which are there, still there in the wetlands? 550.
550 or 505, something like
Right.
this.
What are you doing? Every day I am repeating the same question.
Yes.
What are you doing
Your
with
Lordship,
those?
most
One Parthobhumik is there. There may be so many Parthobhumiks. Why are you not taking steps? Just wait. Just wait. Yes.
most humbly I beseech your lordship that EKWMA has passed multiple orders stating that these are illegal constructions.
Get those orders implemented so that the
Yes.
constructions can be demolished.
We have n number of times in all my annexures that is before your lordship, even most recent annexures that is everything is there which I have placed before your lordship. A multiple number of times we have written to the district magistrate and
See,
Kolkata
now
Municipal
I
Corporation.
My lord,
understand
will be pleased to
there is
direct
a
me the
problem
land secretary.
with the KMC authority. They are not cooperating. The state, you say they do not have the infrastructure. You do not have. That is admitted. Now the court is contemplating engaging the paramilitary forces to
Yes.
get this done. I have
That's it.
disclosed. Why? What will the judge do? What will the judge do? For what purpose? And you think the retired judge will be able to implement the court's order?
No, no, no.
Are here. No
Well,
further
my lord will
reporting is
direct.
enough.
Well, my
It is
lord will be
enough.
pleased to direct the land secretary
Listen, I am
and the
not
DG.
concerned with only Parthobhumik.
No, everything should be removed.
If the whistleblower is also unauthorized construction holder,
Filed by him challenging the order of EKWA.
let it be. Let the challenge be there. The
Regarding one
Let it be cleared. Let it be cleared.
This is in respect of a housing, lordship, which is constructed in the area which is already earmarked as the area of settlement.
if it is a settlement area, you are saved. But there are constructions where it is primarily a water body, which cannot remain. It cannot be done. Is the Union of India party over here? No. I
No,
would
no.
request the
And-
Union of India.
May I most humbly submit before your lordship in my page number 4, when we had gone there to disconnect electricity and dismantle, huge agitation was
Will be
taking
there.
place.
You
These are
expect
all
that the
manufactured.
agitation will not be there.
Then,
These
your
are all
lordship, a
manufactured.
question that I am bound to ask myself. Lordship is telling us each and every directions passed by your lordship.
But then you cannot handle the mass agis who can handle it come. It is not permit an unauthorized construction to remain in the water body. This you are sure about it. First of all, you were not in a position to prevent such a construction to come up. And thereafter, when it is to be brought down, you are unable to do it. You do not have the infrastructure. The court has to take help of somebody else who can do it. Isn't it? Please come.
So unfortunate incident of that godown happened. 22 workers they died.
Ma-
On my application, you will also need to pass an order to give the temporary electric connection to those persons. But they are not providing.
Let me see.
At least not let them keep the temporary. You will not be already clear.
बिना इंस्ट्रक्शन के हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे.
What calls from my learned friend is that KC did not provide anyone and they could not ascertain something. So this will not be repeated. Given opportunity, inquire how many orders they have passed. Direct execution of that. Once we fail to do so, today everything
Thing is, the water body, the DAG numbers, RS numbers, everything is delineated in the act itself. The KMDA, the EKWMA knows what is the boundary of the water body. Then that is to go
has to go by the procedure that
of law. Absolutely.
there has to be recent order against demolition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There has to be 550 recent order. Unless that is there, no one can demolish. Still,
Yes, yes,
No,
yes.
no, no.
True.
No, no. This defense is not available in case of blatant illegal construction, destroying
Yes.
the balance.
Yes.
Sir, there is a constitutional judgment in case of wetland. This procedure is not required to be followed. Same page.
Ah.
There has to be notice to the
Please show me that.
The constitution constitution being judgment.
Please show.
Judgment दिए दाओ, judgment दिए दाओ.
Please show. You do not have a hard copy over here right now. All right. Mm,
like today it has fallen that there are there are 2 recent order state or district administration which are do something about it.
all right.
Your
The
lordship,
report.
report and the papers which the advertisements which we made in terms of lordship lost order.
Yes, certainly.
Sir, with your lip said the petitioner has been directed to pay the cost.
No. But the basic issue, the Honorable Court is very clear.
The
All things should be removed and restored.
Recent order, the report.
The party
dated
concerned should
16th
restore it.
February 2026, signed by the Chief Technical Officer, EKWMA, along with the that a file could have been. There are so many. Along with the 5 newspapers advertising against making construction in handed over in court today be written with the records. Stop. The report is directed to be circulated to all the parties. Stop. Report, paragraph the report by the Additional District Magistrate and District Land and Land Reforms Officer, South 24 Parganas. Signed on 2026, filed by the learned advocate for the state. We also retain with the records. Let copy of the same be circulated. Stop. It appears that despite detection of unauthorized construction over the wetlands, the authority is yet to pass order of demolition in respect of such blatant unauthorized construction. Stop. Paragraph. The EKWMA authority has brought to the notice of the court their lack of infrastructure to deal with such unauthorized constructions. Stop. The authority has also disclosed their inability to handle mass agitation when steps were taken for disconnection of electricity in the unauthorized constructions. Stop. The learned advocate representing the learned senior advocate representing the petitioner has brought to the notice of the court the order passed by the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court, where the requirement of issuing formal notices, notice of the court, the manner in which unauthorized construction over the wetlands is to be dealt with. Stop. Let the copy of the order be placed before this court on the adjourned date. Stop. Leave is granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to implead the Union of India and the concerned ministry as party respondent in the instant writ petition. Stop. Let a copy of the writ petition be served in the Office of the Ministry of Law and Justice. Release the matter for further consideration on 16th of March 2026. Stop.
Union of India, Department of Home Affairs.
No, I do not think only home will be, because
No, home
environment
environment.
is very important.
Environment should be brought in.
Yes, this is the reason I have not mentioned, but home and environment, it often comes to my mind. You check up whether any other authority will be required or
No,
not.
home and environment would do.
Yes, he's there. Housing and urban development. Take his help. He'll be able to give you the name of the proper parties. Right? Acha. And 16th of March. No, I have passed order. I am not repeating anything now. But then I want to make one thing clear, that if the state is unable to handle it, I will hand it over to somebody else who can handle the issue. Because I can understand that it will be very difficult for the state to do it. And I have made this intention clear earlier also.
My lord, with leave of my learned senior, my lord, only one thing in your
Give a
lordship-
copy of that.
Yes, my lord, in just fine. My lord, in 13/2/2024 order, my lord, this petitioner initially complained of illegal construction. It has been demolished, my lord. That is what petitioner wanted. Subsequently, my lord, somehow it has gone down in 13/2/2024 order that petitioner is going to pay the cost of restoration of the land. But petitioner's land, my lord, does not fall within this, admittedly. Petitioner is 86-year-old, my lord. Petitioner is understanding, but he is facing a psychological that I have to pay the cost, and the authorities are in a way threatening that you have to pay the cost, something like this, my lord. If
Cost
your
should be paid by the person responsible for illegal
Yes, my
construction.
lord, not the petitioner. In your lordship's
You-
order, it is recorded that.
You can come up with an application,
My lord.
and if required,